Sure, here are 16 ways to earn money online. 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills as a freelancer in areas like writing, graphic design, web development, or virtual assistants on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. 2. Online surveys and market research. Participate in paid surveys and market research studies on websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research. 3. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 4. Selling products online. Open an online store on platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon to sell physical or digital products. 5. Online tutoring or teaching. Share your knowledge and expertise through online tutoring platforms like FightKid, Teachable, or Udemy. 6. Remote work. Seek out remote job opportunities in various fields on job boards like remote.co, We Work Remotely, or FlexJobs. 7. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for businesses and individuals, helping them grow their online presence. 7. Dropshipping. Set up an e-commerce store and partner with suppliers to sell products directly to customers without holding inventory. 8. Stock photography and video. Upload your high-quality photos and videos to stock websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock to earn royalties when they are purchased. 9. Virtual events and webinars. Host online workshops, seminars, or webinars on platforms like Zoom or Webinar Jam, charging attendees a fee. 10. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. 11. App and website testing. Sign up for platforms like user testing to get paid for testing and providing feedback on websites and mobile apps. 12. Remote graphic design. Create designs for clients all over the world through freelance design marketplaces or your personal website. 13. Remote customer service. Work as a customer service representative for various companies from the comfort of your home. 14. Language translation. If you are bilingual or multilingual, work as an online translator on websites like Gengo or on Babel. 15. Virtual assistant. Assist busy professionals and entrepreneurs with administrative tasks remotely. 16. Online gaming and streaming. If you're skilled at gaming, you can earn money through live streaming on platforms like Twitch and through sponsorships and donations.